Experiment to demonstrate the burning of a magnesium ribbon. Preparation. Take a magnesium ribbon, 2 to 3 centimeters long, and clean it with sandpaper 1. This will remove the oxide layer deposited over the magnesium ribbon, which makes it passive 1. Safety precautions. Hold the magnesium ribbon with a pair of tongs while it burns. Avoid looking directly at the bright light associated with the burning magnesium. Burning the magnesium ribbon. Light the burner and adjust the flame to light blue. Holding one end of the magnesium ribbon with tongs, place the other end in the flame until it ignites. The burning ribbon should be held at arm's length. Do not look directly at the burning ribbon. The burning magnesium yields brilliant light in intense heat. Observation. Magnesium burns in the air, emitting a bright white flash, and then combines with oxygen to form basic magnesium oxide. The chemical equation for this reaction is 2MgXO2, 2MgO. The white ash formed on the surface of the magnesium ribbon is magnesium oxide. Conclusion. The experiment shows that burning magnesium ribbon in air is a direct combination reaction. The formation of magnesium oxide is a chemical change.